Hi, today I'm going to discuss about the confusion matrix. So, confusion matrix, also called as a error matrix, is a table layout that is used to visualize the performance of an algorithm. So below you can see a confusion matrix. So for to building the confusion matrix, we must know the actual value and the predicted outcome of our algorithm. So we will understand the algorithm using a simple example. So let us consider that we have a classifier which classifies into two categories, and the classifier is if a person is a good person or not, and the outcome is yes or no. Let us consider that we build a classifier and now we want to see the performance. For that we use 165 examples, and actually if we can see that among this 165 example there are 60 example which says the person is not a good person, and there are 105 example which says that the person is a good person. Now when we try to predict the outcome, we see that among this example which says that the person is not a good person, 50 of them says predicted that the person is not a good person, but 10 says that a person is a good person. For also if for this example where we are saying that the person is a good person, among this thing there are five examples for which the classifier or the algorithm says that the person is not a good person, and 100 of them are says the person is a good person. Now for using from this flowchart we will build a matrix. This is the matrix. As you can see that among the there are 165 examples. So here we this is a 2 cross 2 matrix because these are two classifier problem. Now in the x axis you have predicted values, and in the y axis you have actual values. So when the predicted value is no and actual value is no, means the classifier says that a person is not a good person, and we are also saying that the person is not a good person. So this is this example. Actual value is no and predicted value is yes, means that the classifier says that the person is not a good person, but our algorithm says that the person is a good person. This is 10. So same way for this also we are filling the matrix. So this is the confusion matrix that from this we can find the performance of an algorithm. And one thing is that the diagonal elements are actually the true thing. That means that the diagonal element actually the good one, and the non-diagonal element is where we are predicting wrongly. So let us consider that if we have more than two classes, that is called a multi-class classification problem. Here you can see we have a classifier which classifies between three classes. The classes are dog, cat and rabbit. So the matrix will be 3 cross 3 matrix. Here in the x axis I actually draw the actual class, and in the y axis the predicted class. So the diagonal elements you can see it predicted correctly, and the non-diagonal element predicted wrongly. So the classifier we says it is a dog and actually it is a dog. Classifier said it's a dog but actually it is a cat, and classifier it says a dog and actually it is a rabbit. So by this way we fill the matrix, and this matrix is called as a confusion matrix.